In this video, we are going to learn about some Scrum metrics and KPIs. Let's go ahead and understand it. Scrum metrics and KPIs are essential for measuring the performance of the Scrum teams. They help in assessing the value delivered to customers and effectiveness of the Scrum process. Metrics can be categorized into Agile metrics, Lean metrics, and Kanban metrics. Okay, let's see some goals of the Scrum KPIs. Measures the deliverables to understand the customer value. Assesses the effectiveness of the Scrum team in terms of ROI and time to market. Monitor the health of the Scrum team to identifying issues like turnover and dissatisfaction. Okay, so this is the goal and importance of the Scrum KPIs. There are some measuring deliverables techniques. Let's go ahead and see what exactly it is. Sprint goal successes. Sprint goals provide clarity on the objectives for each sprint. Measuring the success of sprint goal offers qualitative insights into team performance. Helps in understanding how often business objectives are met. Let's go ahead and see what is the escape defects and defect density. Escape defects indicates the number of bugs found in the production. Tracking defect density helps judge product quality relative to code size. Both metrics provide insights into the effectiveness of testing the processes. Let's see what is the team velocity. Velocity measures the average number of user stories completed in previous sprints. It assists in forecasting the future sprint capacity and workload. Velocity should not be used to compare the teams as it is subjective and varies by team. Then see the sprint burn down. Sprint burn down chart visualize progress by showing remaining work over the time. It helps team assesses whether are on track to complete the sprint goal or not. Provide the quick reference for stakeholders regarding sprint progress. So these are some measuring deliverables. So let's go ahead and see the effectiveness. How can we measure in terms of? So we are having some four measuring techniques for effectiveness. Let's go one by one. That is time to market. Time to market measures how quickly a project delivers value to customers. Calculate by the number of sprints before a release to the production. Important of understanding the speed of revenue generation. This is a time to market. Let's see return on investment, that is ROI. ROI compares the revenue generated from a product against the cost incurred during the development. The Scrum can enhance the ROI by delivering working software early in the development process. Continuous future Continuous feature delivery can lead to increased revenue over the time. Let's go ahead and see what is the capital redeployment. Capital redeployment assesses whether to continue a project based on its economic value. Involves comparing the revenue value of the backlog item against the cost and opportunity cost. If the project is not economically viable, resources should be redirected to more profitable initiatives. Let's go ahead and see the customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction can be measured using metrics like Net Promoter Score, that is NPS. Regular measurement helps determine if the Scrum team is meeting customer needs or not. Consistent tracking of satisfaction metrics inform future development prioritization. So, in this video, we have seen some measuring effectiveness techniques and some measuring deliverables techniques. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how to monitor the Scrum team. The daily Scrum and Sprint retrospective. Regularly conducted Scrum events provide qualitative insights into the team dynamics. Documented conclusions from these events can highlight the areas of the improvement. They serve as a feedback loop for continuous process enhancement. Okay, so we can monitor the Scrum team with the help of daily Scrum and Sprint retrospective meeting. Let's go ahead and see team satisfaction. Periodic surveys judge team satisfaction and morale. High satisfaction levels indicates a healthy team culture, and while low level may signal single issues. The satisfaction can preempt conflicts and process inefficiency. Okay, so this is related to team satisfaction. Then team member turnover, how we can monitor. The low turnover rate suggests a stable and healthy team environment. High turnover may indicate the underlying issues that need addressing. Comparing team turnover with overall company turnover provides the additional context. Okay, so this is related to some monitoring the Scrum team. Let's go ahead and see the reporting metrics to stakeholders. The key metrics for stakeholder communication is sprint and release burn down charts. Provide a visual representation of the project progress. Historical sprint velocity offers insights into the value delivered some over time. Tracking scope changes helps identify the potential delays in the project timelines. So, these are three key metrics for stakeholder communication. Let's see the team capacity. Understanding the team capacity involves knowing the number of full time developers available. Factors like vacations and sick leaves can affect the overall capacity. Monitoring the capacity ensures realistic planning and workload distribution. So let's go ahead and see escape the defects. Reporting the escape defects gives the stakeholders insight into product quality post release. It highlights areas needing improvement in testing and quality assurance. Regular updates on defect trends can inform future development strategies. So, these all related to reporting metrics to the stakeholders. With the help of this reporting metrics, stakeholders can get to know all about the ongoing changes and everything about the team. In this video, we have discussed some Scrum metrics and KPIs which are required and measure the deliverables of the Scrum team. And we can also give some metrics to stakeholder so that he can also get it know about the Scrum team progress.